Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I am going to share with you Athena's first birthday. I don't know, it was a good time. Her first birthday, it was a little exciting and overwhelming and all that stuff, and she just all looked at all of us like we were crazy. I did want to let you guys know that because of the new YouTube rules, standards, laws, however you want to word that, most than likely you will not be able to comment on this video. I just want to let you know ahead of time. So I guess apparently part of the new YouTube standard is that if children are in the video, if it's kids, then you have to check like a certain box, and I guess people are, as crazy as this sounds, apparently people are not doing such great things in the comments of kid videos, and so from my understanding the comments will be shut off. So I just want to let you guys know that, but and I'm just gonna give you short snippets of her birthday. It was a fun time. Like I said, she looked at all of us like we were crazy, but enjoy the vlog. So today is Athena's first birthday, and this is her little unicorn cake that we got for her. Comes back here and it has a little horsey or a unicorn mane. Go lay down, Minnie. Minnie's trying to get the cake. And then over here we have a smash cake. This cake is just so pretty. There's a little bow there. And then of course we have her presents, and we have a little unicorn pig chair for her. So we are just waiting for her to get here. We didn't do anything like super extravagant like balloons and all that. It's just a small family gathering because her birthday is actually next weekend, and they will be with the daddy's family. So this is what we got for her. Where's the birthday girl? There's the birthday girl. Do you need help? Hi. Happy birthday.
Are you videoing her?
Yes. Hi. She's not happy.
2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Athena. Happy birthday to you.
Blow the candle.
Blow, 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 blow.
She's so good.
She's like,
Athena,
what? Blow it. Blow. Blow. Blow the fire. Look right here. Blow the fire. Blow it.
You're gonna do it before the video runs out.
There we
Yay!
go. And we're going to go ahead and pull it out so she can sit on it.
Just
Oh my goodness, look. Oh, wait. What's this? Do you want to open the present? What is that?
the first present.
Can I hold
It's a
this?
unicorn chair.
Can Mimi hold this so that way you have both hands? There you go. There you go. Open it. What is that? Open it. What is it?
Look, you have all of them.
Come on. Look, let's rip it. Look. Look. Gotta pull it. Rip it. Rip it.
Rip it like you do your wipes. Go.
There you go.
There you go.
What is that? Open it.
Used.
Look.
She's like, my mommy never lets me rip stuff. What is that? Oh my goodness.
What is it?
Toothbrushes.
Toothbrushes. There you go. Open the big one. Oh, what is that? Oh, get it open.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, open it.
You want some help here? Look.
What is in there?
Oh my goodness.
What is that?
It's a tag.
What is that? Huh?
You like that? Say thank you.
I don't even know what that is.
All right,
Let's get these all open. You can handle some
Here.
of this stuff.
let's go for that one. Open it.
Gotta open it.
Try it. There you go. Pull it. Yank real hard. Get it open.
She's like, help, I'm trapped.
There. Now open it.
There you go. What's in there? Oh, look at tag.
Open.
Look, a horn. It's a horn.
What is that?
Oh my goodness.
What is that?
So many shapes.
It's a circle. Yep, that's a circle. We have to take the plastic off. Oh,
Okay.
you want something next? Here, what's this?
Next one.
Get it. Get it.
Yay.
Open it. Come on.
You're close.
Pull, pull, pull,
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Throw it on the floor. There you go. Oh, all the way. Get another piece.
Attitude outfit. It is.
Got some little pants
You want to try to put it on?
with bows on it.
There you go. Get it. 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 Open it. Open it. What's this? Oh, Miriam, Papa got you a Christmas outfit.
Look at this one.
Those are little leggings.
Oh, with little like bows on.
Mm-hmm.
That's cute.
And a little skirt.
Oh, now she wants to. Now you want to rip it? Okay.
And a little headband with a glitter bow or a
Oh, that's
sequence
super
bow.
cute. Thanks.
There you go.
Oh, there you go.
There you go. Open. Yes, I threw the paper on the floor.
There you go.
Woo!
Yes.
Safekeeping.
You got it. Woohoo! Get it. Oh. Well, that's not the most important portion.
Of course it
Could have
is.
just bought you the wrapping paper. Are you serious?
That's what I was saying. Oh, that's a no spill cup.
There you go. No, don't put the paper in your mouth.
Sippy cup.
Yuck. Don't put it in
It's a
your mouth.
spoutless sippy cup.
That's interesting. I've never seen anything like that. Can these go along?
Yeah, so it's just like drinking out of a cup. It's a sippy cup, but it's like drinking out of a regular
Oh,
cup.
yeah. That's cool. How does it work? How do you open?
Oh, pull on it. What's in there? What is that?
Take it. Here.
She's like, I'm not even interested.
Do it.
Go ahead, rip.
Pull.
Woohoo!
Pull it. It's like, where did that other one go? It was already detached. Why are you making me do all this extra work? Athena.
Look. There we go.
Get it. Get it. Where'd you trying to go? Get that one open first, silly.
Spoons.
You got some spoons?
Oh,
Oh, do you want
I
another
think she
one?
wants that one.
There you go. Yeah, get it.
Turn white.
There's a whole bunch there. Pick whichever one you want. Do you want the big one?
She wants the big one.
Here's a big one. Oh, which one? You want that one? Okay, open that one. You're just hoarding them on your lap.
She said, no, do not touch. That is mine. No, it's on the pick.
That's not where that goes. Ugh.
Hit your head against my
No,
elbow.
you can't have my phone, silly.
Ooh.
M's one of those ones that go in the freezer, Mommy.
Okay.
So it's cold. What is that?
You like that?
Do you want Papa to get it out of the package for you?
Say hexy.
Here.
Go ahead.
Open it. Right here. Athena, open this one. Papa, get that one out of the bag for you. And you get, are you,
What is that?
Does that go in your mouth? Yep. It goes in your mouth.
High five.
All right. You want to open this one?
Next one.
What's this?
Oh my goodness.
There are 9 bath buddies in there.
Holy cow.
Yep, right there. Moo.
Goodness. No way, Jose. Look, you got a little computer.
There you go.
Does it have sound?
Yep.
It does. That is just for you. You like that?
Papa can take that out of the box for you too. And what's this?
Is that your winter coat?
Yep.
Look at that. Bad boy.
There you go.
That's so cute.
And it's double layered too. So like you can take the outer part off and they can be worn as separate coats.
Oh, that's cute. So it's like a little white jacket inside.
You're leaning too far forward.
And they both have
Need
this
some
hook,
help here.
so it's like.
Yep. Here, let's open this big one.
Word puzzles! Look!
Look, there's a bunch of puzzles in there with racks, with a rack to keep them on, so you can keep them nice and neat. All right, one more present.
One
and
more present.
This is from Nani.
Yep, this is from Nani. Open it.
Help.
And your uncle's gonna break your stuff before you have a chance to even play with it.
Dana was in the way.
Look.
Athena. Let's open this one. Ready? Come on, right here. Look, Athena.
Oh my goodness.
More bath buddies!
Finding Nemo. Look at Nemo's friends.
Woohoo!
Look how cute.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. You ready for some cake?
You wanna smash the cake?
Smash cake.
I don't think
This is a good idea.
Okay, this is her smash cake. Here we go. Go ahead.
What is that?
Oh my goodness.
Stick it back in? Oh my goodness. Did you try to put it back in? Oh, what is that? What did you do? Lick your fingers.
Look.
Are you gonna try to get a piece of that? Because that's the one with the whipped ice.
Oh, well, I'll just eat the other cake. That's fine. Athena, smash it. Oh, do you want to put the candle back in it? Oh, it's so pretty.
Oh,
Good job.
Now what? Smash it.
Go like this.
Smash it.
why don't you try and eat it?
Mm-hmm. Get your cake.
it!
She's like, I don't know what's going on here. I'm not ever allowed to do this kind of stuff. Why am I being allowed to do this? Is this a trick? What? Oh. You don't know what to do with that candle. Look, open. Oh, Okay, I eat it.
Look. Ah. Yummy.
She's like, what?
Oh, is that yummy?
What is going on? Magic!
She's confused.
What is going on? Is this...
Go ahead.
Get your cake.
Get it.
No, not me. Get the cake. Get the cake.
Get it.
Where the hell did that candle go?
She's trying to pick it off.
Look, buddy. Look. Open.
Cake.
Try it.
I think I think she's just really confused. She's like, I'm gonna sit in this corner and play with this toy because
Athena.
Well, I need to
Look.
see too.
Well, bring it over here in the light. Athena!
You ain't ready for this.
Athena! Look, what's mommy gonna do?
Look.
Oh my god, don't make
Happy birthday. I love you so much.
Athena's gonna, oh, her god, oh. She's like, Mama, this is torture.
Sprinkles.
Just like,
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
can read it.
What are you doing? Poor baby. She just doesn't know.
I feel bad.
Oh, I
Maybe.
really like this toy.
I need some more icing.
Just look at her fingers. Vlad, make sure you zoom in on that when she does that.
That's good icing. That's good stuff, huh? Is that good stuff? What is she looking at? Who is she looking?
Vlad.
Not me.
No, she's looking out there. I need a bat. Oh, is that good? Are you gonna? Are you gonna?
It's a big smile.